it's absolutely beautiful.
Anyway.
Yeah, okay, all right. Shall we?
Beer or wine?
You gotta have something though. You gotta drink some. I'll take some water.
Να το μπροστά μου, έδωσε.
Ένα λεπτό, μαμ.
Ναι. Ένα λεπτό να βάλω το... Ναι.
I think she's upstairs.
Κάνε ό,τι θέλεις.
Did you say her hair? Is that what
He
you
did say,
said?
I think she's fixing her hair.
Yeah, she was combing it or
She was
something, not
combing it
fixing
earlier.
Not like fixing it.
Κοίτα Κατίνα,
Putting that in her
τι φτιάχνεις?
Ο Βασίλης παίρνει βίντεο.
Τι φτιάχνεις?
Wine for you, right?
All right, guys, let's see if I did this well.
Τώρα ξέρεις τι, δεν μου αρέσει αυτό.
Ποιο?
Το βίντεο.
Με παίρνεις βίντεο.
Γιατί?
Καθόλου, γιατί μαλώνουμε το χρήσαντο κάθε φορά. Δεν μου αρέσει.
Το Χρήσαντο μου μαλώνεις εμένα, δεν μπορεί να με μαλώσει. Εγώ είμαι μουσαφίρης.
I don't like that you're taking a video of me.
I
Because I
find
yell at
Εντάξει, θα παίρνω μόνο τα χέρια σου και αυτά που φτιάχνεις.
Έλα εδώ εσύ.
Ναι.
Έρχομαι.
Έλα εδώ. Λοιπόν, ανοίγουμε το φύλλο.
We open the phyllo.
Δεν είναι τίποτα το σπουδαίο. Καθόλου. Εντάξει. Λοιπόν, το έχουμε εδώ. Έτσι λέει ο μάγειρας μέσα.
Ναι.
Βάλεις το 110 να κοιτάς. Το 110 στο τηλεβίζιο να δεις τι φτιάχνουν.
Ναι.
Ωραία πράγματα.
Η Κάρο και η τηλεόραση, ξέρεις, τα έχουν πολύ καλά.
And then, Vasily, we throw the garbage in the garbage can. You see? We don't just toss it all about.
Why not?
Where's the butter?
It's here.
It's 2.5 sticks of butter, melted.
2.5 sticks of butter melted.
8 eggs. And a pound of feta cheese. Okay? And then 1 filo.
Both of these were in one package.
Yeah. The one that they sell at our
Come on, Karen,
grocery
are you gonna learn how
store.
to do
Έξι αυγά. Έλα εδώ.
I told
Τι
you.
έξι, η άλλη έλεγε
Love's
8.
going over there. So,
Εγώ βάζω 12.
Mom, Carol, did you want to do it or
No,
do you
she's,
want
I'm
her
gonna
to
watch her do it. No,
Oh,
it's
okay.
I'm gonna watch
Yeah,
her do it.
that's right.
Θα μαθαίνω από τη Μάστα.
Και μία κούπα γάλα, Βασίλη.
Is this called Tiropita?
Tirapita.
Τυρόπιτα.
The other one is panakopita. The one with spinach. Έχει το μάτι αναμένο.
I like her egg cracking technique.
I know.
Λοιπόν, τούτο το βάλες σε μεγάλο, αλλά μπορεί... δεν το θέλω εκεί. Ναι. Λοιπόν, το κάνεις αυτό. Κάνε μου το καριτσίζε.
There is the secret. Έχουμε και cottage cheese.
That's right.
Για αν θέλεις. Για αν δεν θέλεις,
So it's not that salty. It sweetens it.
μία κούπα γάλα του καφέ. Τι είναι αυτό?
Μία κούπα.
Για να δω.
1 cup.
Yeah, μα καλό είναι.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Σαν μου φαίνεται πολύ πολύ.
Έχετε δίκιο. So it's a coffee cup.
Yeah, not a real cup of coffee.
Ξέρεις τι γίνεται? Το φύλλο ετούτο
Ναι.
είναι πολύ πολύ ψηλό. Δεν είναι gluten. Είναι ένα φύλλο που είναι για πίτα, για τυρόπιτα.
Greek town. If you go to
Ναι.
Greek town and
Ούτε
get
το
the
χοντρό
filo,
το φύλλο.
Ναι, το χοντρό είναι το
Είναι
χωριατικό.
ή το 7 ή το 6 θα παίρνεις.
Yeah.
Ναι.
But the Strax only sells this one type of filo dough.
It isn't the phyllo isn't the exact phyllo that she prefers. But down here in Greek town,
No, you know what? I didn't go to the Greek store. I just went to the grocery store and got it. Τι θέλεις?
Now, where do you
I
guys
told
live,
you.
Carol?
Εδώ πέρα όμως
we live downtown.
Oh, you do?
North of Greektown.
το είπα.
We live on Halsted, about 2 miles north of
Εντάξει
Greektown.
μωρέ.
Oh, okay.
It's easier, Mom. Γιατί είναι πιο πολύ room.
Εντάξει. Γιατί θέλω να πετάω τα τσόφια να μην λερώνω μέσα στο νεροχείο.
Κατσόφια τελείωσες.
ένα plate εδώ, έτσι.
Ναι.
Επειδή είναι, περίμενε, επειδή είναι αρμυρό λίγο, η φέτα,
How are you? You're missing the.
Good stuff. Oh,
You're
good
missing the
stuff,
lesson.
my Dale. Nice to see you. How are you?
τρίγω, ξέρω, είναι ένα pound,
Ναι.
Very nice.
It's kind of, yeah.
1,5 pound είναι και εγώ βάζω ένα pound και τη μισή ακόμα φέτα.
How are you?
Fine, how are you?
Αλλά όχι πιο πολύ. Σε τούτο το φύλλο έτσι. Κατάλαβες.
Watch the video.
Είναι αρκετό, γιατί είναι και αρμερούτσικο και δεν χρειάζεται πιο πολύ. Και πολύ είναι. Λοιπόν, το βάζουμε εδώ. Δεν μπορεί είναι η Εφη εδώ πέρα, θα τα μαζέψει.
Oh, it's fine, Mom. Just keep going.
Ξέρω ο μάγειρας είναι μάγειρας. Τα πράγματα πρέπει να μπαίνουν στη θέση τους γρήγορα.
Είδες, τα
Είδες.
πράγματα πρέπει να βάλεις στο σκουπίδι γρήγορα.
Λοιπόν, περίμενε. Το γάλα, το μύρι. Όλα θα τα βάζεις,
Ναι.
όταν θέλεις να φτιάξεις θα τα βάζεις εκεί στη σιρούλα σου όλα και θα ξέρεις τι κάνεις.
What kind of bread is this?
Ανακάτεψε.
Now she's led into the inner sanctum of womanhood.
Τι πες?
Now she's led into the inner sanctum
2,5 στίκες
of
βούτυρο έβαλα.
womanhood.
Ναι.
Αν θέλεις μπορείς να βάλεις 3, αλλά
Οι 4.
πολλοί δεν το θέλουν το βούτυρο το πολύ, σαν το Χρήσαντο δεν το θέλει, θέλεις πιο στεγνό.
Ο Χρήσαντος θέλει πιο στεγνό.
Ναι.
Effie, you gotta have a talk with your husband. Hi, Maria.
Ξέρεις τι,
Your husband doesn't like so much butter in his teropita.
Χρήσανθε,
Για
τώρα δεν έχω τι να πω και...
Καλά κάνετε, δεν πειράζει.
Ναι.
Είναι...
Ξέρω,
είναι
τα
narrative,
βούτυρα δεν σου
narrative.
αρέσουν anyway. Λοιπόν, έβαλα λίγο, εντάξει,
Ναι, ναι, ναι.
εδώ, το
Λίγο.
βλέπεις, με το πινέλο, γύρω-γύρω.
He doesn't believe in any stuff.
So is this a gas problem?
Oh, yeah. That's all right. I gave him a new 4 Fiero. It's got a little 4-cylinder engine.
Oh, they're huge.
350.
Αυτό το φύλλο, το ανοίξαμε. Ναι. Είδες, αυτό είναι πολύ ψηλό, σου είπα. Δεν είναι, αλλά ήταν μακριά οι, πώς τη λένε, και δεν πήγαμε να πάρουμε. Και τούτο,
I changed my first tire this.
sometimes το φύλλο, από εκεί που το παίρνουμε, είναι πολύ, πώς το λένε, είναι πολύ, καμιά φορά πλακώνονται από πράγματα, αλλά και είναι κολλημένο. Sometimes το παίρνουμε πολύ, πολλές φορές. Κατάλαβες? Λοιπόν, τώρα,
Name of a fancy name for a type of cheese.
βλέπεις πόσο ψηλό, πολύ ψηλό είναι.
Eat it, but spicy. Two sharp fishes?
Yes, I did. I saw your little baby.
Isn't it delicious, Maria?
Βάλε το φούρνο το κάτω στο 300, στο 400 για τώρα.
Look how thin that phyllo dough is.
What are you doing?
Turning on the oven.
To what?
400. Tetracosa.
Τα χέρια είναι πλημμένα. Εντάξει.
Ναι, ναι,
Oh,
ναι,
forgot
ναι.
that. Makes it tastier.
Did you see that in the picture on Facebook?
Wash your hands first.
Yeah, Kate, did you hear?
I am.
My mom says we have to wash our hands. They're clean now.
Unless you want it to be real tasty.
Λοιπόν, τώρα,
9 and you
αν θέλεις,
Oh my God, they're so cute.
μπορείς και με το κουτάλι να βάλεις όπου θέλεις. Αν δεν θέλεις να βάλεις το χέρι σου.
Yeah, Rachel and Catherine are pretty close.
Αλλά ξέρεις τι,
When's Rachel's birthday?
In March. So she was gonna be 10.
Όλος άκρος στο χέρια χωρίς πίτα δεν γίνεται.
But when we had get his first birthday party at the old house,
He's
like four
naked.
little girls and all the Rachel.
And we still have those pictures.
I got that.
Got that.
Sorry, δεν χρειάζεται να τα ακούσω.
Lauren, it was
Λοιπόν,
Isabella, no, it was Katie.
ήταν ένας ανδρόγυνο και είδε τη γυναίκα του και έφτιαχνε με τα χέρια την πίτα. Και της λέει δεν θα φάω ποτέ. Γιατί του λέει, γιατί τα έφτιασες με τα χέρια ή με τα πόδια. Εγώ θα ξεκινήσω λέει και θα πάω λέει να βλέπεις τώρα λίγο να ειδώ. Όπου κι αν πήγε του είπανε αυτή τη λέξη. Όχι κύριε λέει ποτέ. Λέει γυναίκα έχεις δίκιο. Χωρίς χέρια δεν γίνεται τίποτα. Το καταλαβαίνει.
For jeans, and she was
Να
funny.
πούμε
She was
και
in
ένα
the
αστείο,
Lily kept pushing the curtain
Εντάξει.
aside to go in, and Rachel was just getting pissed.
So it's the equivalent if it's not homemade, handmade,
I put a picture
homemade.
on Facebook. Look, we were in the Navy, and Rachel put out
Λοιπόν,
something that we had.
επειδή είναι πολύ ψηλούτσικα,
And then I took a picture.
ετούτα
They were so cute.
βάζω ένα φύλλο και το ένα το βάζω με λάδι, με βούτυρο και το άλλο το βάζω με το υλικό αυτό.
Ναι, με το αυγά και
Ναι,
γαλακτήριο.
ναι.
No. I used to make Christmas cookies.
Or frying.
You know what? Sometimes I do, but not
Like
often.
this? What is wrong with you? You're not related to me. I'm sorry.
The brie? You don't like the brie?
I don't like that. That's, you know what? Brie
Mi fοβάσαι.
acquired taste. It's okay. I can't eat a lot.
So then I tell Karen beer is an acquired taste. And she goes, I don't want to acquire it.
So what's in the mixer? That's the egg, the milk with that on?
Right.
Yeah.
No, I didn't. I make homemade guac.
And then she alternates
Want to taste it?
butter,
Oh.
a layer with butter, a layer with the mix, a layer with butter, a layer with the mix.
Oh,
Like that?
okay.
So here's
And
the
it's that
here's how I
layer
made
with
the
the
guac.
butter.
Got 3 avocados. I'm so
Πήρε
sorry.
avocado.
I've had it before, but it is really good.
Oh,
But
you hate avocado?
So a little known fact is, when I first met Effie, she came actually to work with Basil and Carol, and she came to the office and she brought it up. This like I made it for you.
I did.
I found out years later that her mom had made it.
That's right.
that's right, she pretended she did.
14 years later, we're married. And
Well,
13 years later, we're married. And
It was very clever because you got our stamp of approval
Σε καλά.
immediately.
Been busy? She been busy?
yeah.
Oh,
Because
she might be. We'll be okay.
So I cut 3 avocados, and I got the seasoning. But then
Is that
I
Greek
bought-
guacamole you're talking about making?
No, somebody's guacamole. It's the Effie guacamole. And then I bought dried tomato pesto with pinenuts.
That's next week's recipe. Again,
And I
give
put
it-
Yeah,
it in there.
don't mix
I put
up-
2
mix the
tablespoons
recipes.
in there. Cool. Is it good? Mm-hmm. It was accidental. I bought the dried tomato for something else, and I bought the wrong dried tomatoes.
Ever
Perfect.
tell you how I got totally disappointed with. We used to go to this French gourmet restaurant.
Ξέρω,
This is
Βασίλης,
the worst place you could be.
οπωσδήποτε θα
Across the street
το,
from Tiger's Records. It was called
θα
the
το φτιάξει.
Yes.
It was avocado.
Και τούτο θα το φτιάξουμε, Βασίλη, θα το φτιάξει πιο γρήγορα από μένα.
And
Is it still there?
No.
when I went there, and
That's the
they
secret
used
right
to
there,
have
yeah.
this raspberry cake that I would die for. And you know, $6 a slice, and you slice
Λίγο
it.
σήμερα τα μάτια μου είναι μπλούρι, δεν
Just
ξέρω.
one of them.
Ζαλίζουμε λίγο.
So anyway,
Γι' αυτό
Yes.
so anyway, they had, Channel 11 had the 10 best chefs in Chicago doing their favorite recipes, and they had Carolyn Buster on. And Carolyn Buster is going to show how she makes a
I was
raspberry
making fun of that because like I was
So I'm
like, how poorly handled? What are your
καμιά
recipes?
φορά
VCR going, got everything going.
μου περισσεύει καμιά φορά ή τα φύλλα ή το ντουλμά. Αλλά
I don't know. So
ξέρεις, δεν
she shows
είσαι...
up, she's got a pot the size of a cake.
It's not
She's got a big
scientific.
crock of butter. She goes in there with the butter and she smears butter all over the thing.
Έμαθες,
Then she takes
τη
the
φτιάχνουμε.
Εγώ ήξερα από παλιά.
sprinkled
Όχι,
sugar,
ξέρεις.
sticks to the
Ναι,
bottom.
το
Δεν
κάνω όμως.
έφτιαξες όμως καμιά φορά.
Then she gets.
Μπα και το φτιάξει καλύτερα από σένα, γι' αυτό δεν το
Δεν
φτιάχνει.
ήθελα ακριβώς. να
She
μην-
cuts it
Αυτό
in
λέω
long
κι εγώ.
slabs of nothing but bread. And she makes a layer of bread. she butters the bread.
Αχ, Θεέ μου.
Sugar, ladle of raspberries, another layer of bread, butter, and sugar,
What's bad
raspberries.
about that? Nothing.
Keeps building it
Butter,
up,
raspberries, bread.
puts a weight on it, puts it in the refrigerator.
Α, είχα
That's
βάλει, ναι.
it.
That's okay.
I'm paying
Δεν πειράζει.
$6 a slice for bread, butter,
Καμιά φορά.
sugar, and raspberries.
Even a real cake.
It didn't even bake.
It was like a
didn't
pudding
even
type of
bake?
thing where it's soaked. Yeah.
It was delicious.
It was really
See how easy it is, Carol? Once you
see.
just mix it all together, you put the stuff in.
Wow.
Put layer
And then
it
just
with
layer
the
it.
phyllo
So if
dough.
it's that easy, why didn't you make it yourself that time?
Ποιος?
She's gonna make it next time.
Η Εφη φτιάχνει, γιατί?
Yeah.
I'll tell you. I didn't feel like it.
Oh,
She'll make it next time.
It's pretty darn simple. That
Ξέρεις τι, δεν θέλει να σε καλομαθαίνει.
Γι' αυτό,
Σου λέει,
Άσε
να τους πιάσει μόνος του.
My comprehensive exams to finish
Τι
my
να
master's.
πούμε.
Good for you.
So I'm almost done. I got one down. Actually, I had sent him the second one, but she wants it revised. And that's due Monday.
Ου, και χειρότερο
Αρχίσει
είναι.
να
Ναι.
στεγνώνει. Να
Όχι,
στεγνώσει.
όχι, αλλά είναι από εκεί. Κάπου ακουμπάει κι άλλο
So,
πράγμα
class, the
και του
communication
δίνει...
networking class, and then I'm taking another class, which is nonverbal communication. So
And then you'll be done? In December, you'll be done?
yeah.
That's all in business.
Actually, I'm really gonna be done the end of the
From the south side of
So if
Chicago.
I pass it,
να ανοίξουμε
My mother
ένα.
was, my mother said, oh, I'm ushering tonight, I want to come somewhere.
you know, how
Ναι, έπρεπε να ανοίξουμε ένα.
No, she was ushering.
People on the block knew what you were saying.
You know, not to the
plus side advisory, I'll apply for it. But October is my month that I'm gonna start just giving all my,
Μια φορά
you know,
όλα τα υλικά βάλεις και δεν γίνεται τόσο καλή. Δεν ξέρω γιατί. Σοβαρά σου μιλάω.
Εγώ δεν πιστεύω, γιατί
Το να,
ποτέ
είναι
δεν...
έτσι έφη. Καμιά φορά τα φτιάχνουμε και δεν γίνεται τόσο που τη θέλουμε. Πότε κάθεται, πότε...
I think she threw those out before I arrived because I've never had that experience. She said sometimes she makes it and it's just not right. She doesn't know why. And I said, I've never had that experience here ever. It's always right.
I had Catherine make it.
You have the other one in the oven, so when she puts this one in, she can take
She's
the
going
other
to take
one
out the ready one.
Yeah.
Well, yeah.
Martha.
The who?
Martha.
Wow, and then you just bake it?
For an hour. So I figure I'll put on the steaks at 5:30. By the time the steaks are ready, and that's done, I mean, are you guys all famished? Should we eat before this is
are they
ready?
Flemish?
Flemish?
No, famished.
Or Dutch.
Because we can always just sit
Well,
outside.
We could
and
just
watch
chill,
wine.
happy, no rush.
You ever been to a Dutch country? Yes.
Do whatever you planned.
I'm not.
You sure?
I'm fine.
Do you have to be home at a certain time?
We're gonna turn into a pumpkin. No, we brought coats, so when it turns cold, we could ride home with the top down.
Does the top go up?
Well, you don't put the top up in a convertible, you turn the heat on and wear a coat.
You turn the heat on.
Yes.
That's right. I used to do it
Oh
all the
my
time.
God, yeah, turn the heat on and wear a coat.
You know,
That's the point of having a convertible.
you ever see us enclose the Harleys?
That's true. It's a good point, Dale.
You just put the leathers on and go.
That's why I wore the goofy baseball cap.
Driving
You look
your
great.
Harleys
Oh,
and
yeah.
going to different places?
It gives you nice
What's
cat
the
hair.
last place you went?
Long
Yeah.
distance. I put 25
So if you're
miles
making
on the
spun
sea.
polka dot,
Ah,
is it the same thing, only
Change
instead of
her
cheese,
little
it's
method there.
She knew.
Oh, spinach and cheese?
Getting closer to the end.
So you would add spinach to the whole and the cheeses in right
No,
there?
no, no, that's when
Still
you
this much left.
you wash the spinach, you drain it,
Went to
and you add it in clumps, or you spread it out.
Oh,
That's the focus.
stretch of highway in the mountains.
Yeah, because you get, yeah.
Καμιά φορά περισσεύει λίγο ή φύλλο ή αυτό, δεν
Yeah.
πειράζει.
Yeah, otherwise it will become soup.
Then we have to lose.
Yeah, I've made
Wow.
spinach lasagna.
Αλλά δεν συμβαίνει αυτό πολλές φορές, το κανονίζεις.
It's like the reversion of Alfredo.
Get hit by rain,
Oh my
hail, and a tornado.
I'm gonna show you Alfredo.
I miss it. What do you call it, Case?
This is a comfort dinner, huh? That, this.
Lots of wine.
Wow, that's gorgeous. It was gorgeous.
Save some of the cheese.
Did you take any pictures?
For the cat.
I was
Well,
Maria's eating it all. She's eating all the brie. There won't be any left for us.
Yeah. I know where it is.
No, there's
Blue Ridge,
plenty
yeah.
of brie there.
There's none, and then they purify uranium there for
You're in Hazel
the
Creek.
Manhattan project.
Well, that was, that's.
Yeah, the party's gonna get about,
Yeah,
yeah.
that's the smoking. But, anyway.
Πάρ' από κάτω.
Awesome.
So I woke up early today.
We were almost through,
Got
we
up
got
at
hit by a rain
6:45,
and sleet
7
storm, so we parked the
Got up,
bikes
got
and we
ready.
went up in the trees.
To take Peter to
And the
soccer.
sleet
Ήσουν
stopped.
άρρωστοι.
Go to soccer.
So
Huh?
then
Άρρωστοι
we got on
ήσουν.
the
Peter
bikes
had a
in the
soccer
rain
game at
and took
8:30.
off.
So I had to get him out of the house by
Fell
8:15.
down and blocked the
Wakes up.
parkway, so we had to turn
He says,
around and back up 19
Do we
miles
really
in
have
the
to
rain
go?
to get out the
I said,
parkway.
yes, come on, you got up.
Yes.
Get ready.
Ναι, ναι, ναι.
We stopped up. and
Πιο
slept
πολύ.
Yeah, somehow.
Πιο πολύ πάνω.
Όχι.
So last night I was at Water Tower.
Πιο πολύ έπρεπε από κάτω να βάλω, δεν πειράζει.
Last night I was at Water Tower. They had,
Everybody's talking
there's a
about
Broadway
Φύλλα που
house
είναι
there.
λίγο σιλούτσικα.
It's a small little theater. We saw Love, Lost, and What I Wore,
Saturday we
written
were
by
supposed
Nora
to leave,
Ephron,
but our buddy,
who wrote Sailors in Seattle. and
Έτοιμοι μας.
Ωραία.
it was raining.
Ναι.
It was actually not, but I went with the girls
Charge
from
of
the
the
club.
rights
It
is-
was very
So,
odd,
Really?
actually, yeah.
having a good time?
It was, it was not what I
Πολύδικο.
expected. It was 5 women
Και τα φύλλα είναι,
telling a story, and they alternated.
τα φύλλα είναι
It
πολύ
wasn't a
ψηλά.
musical, it wasn't.
Kind of like the vagina monologues.
I
Ξέρω,
never
το
saw
έχω
that.
πάθει πολλές φορές
But-
They had this 90-year-old
Well, I saw that
Ίσως-
like musical.
Turn yellow and stuff, you know.
Right.
things
Yeah,
yellow,
yeah.
solidify.
So, yeah, pretty much
Ivana.
the same thing then.
Otherwise, the whole ride is great.
Δεν βάλεις βίδα μέσα.
Ναι, θα βάλουμε το ταψί στο φούρνο.
Oh, yeah.
But we had dinner at a cheesecake factory right in, that was nice.
Actually, I'm forced to.
I had a great
All right reserved.
Oh, what did you have?
pomegranate martini.
All right reserved. Economopoulos Household 2011.
She's working too.
Βάλει και λιγάκι δαχτυλάκι μέσα να το σκούει.
What, we've been
Είναι
married
ένα
100 years. Maybe 39. Oh, yeah.
Vitamin Brie.
απάνω.
She's booked this
Ναι, ναι.
for
της είπα
1960,
κάτω.
which was next
Κάτω,
year.
κάτω, είναι ανοιχτό το κάτω, μα.
κάτω.
Going up in a multi cruise.
Ποιος είπε από πάνω?
Thank you. Εγώ νόμιζα. Okay.
No big deal.
Στο 325. Το ζέστανε το φούρνο.
You take a huge chunk of brie,
Εντάξει,
you buy the
Εντάξει.
large
Και τώρα
5
πόσο?
η ώρα.
roll,
Στις 5 η ώρα.
Μέχρι στις 6 θα δούμε πώς θα πάει.
Μα, πείτε all right
brie
reserved.
in the middle, you wrap it around.
Πείτε all right
Flip
reserved.
it down so it's more, you know.
Αν το πείτε θα το πουλήσω τη βιντεοκασέτα.
Με, επι...
Price reserve.
Μπράβο.
Για ξαναπες το.
What did I have in there?
Με επιφύλαξη παντός δικαιώματος.
Καλά τώρα, εντάξει. Εδώ πέρα δεν μετράει αυτό. Πρέπει να το πεις αγγλικά.
I'm impressed.
Δεν με νοιάζει, είναι κακό ή καλό.